Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC. How is everyone doing today? Guys, I am super excited today. Guess what? I am having my aunt here in the kitchen with me today. Yes, we are going to be cooking up a storm in here. Yes, she's all the way from UK, so you guys will get to meet her. I know you heard her voice on the last video, but you didn't actually see her. So come on, my aunt, come in the kitchen. Here she comes, guys.
Hello, guys.
This is my aunt.
I'm introducing myself. I'm Carla's auntie,
Yes.
and I'm from the UK. And it's lovely to have me around today in the kitchen so we can do this food together to show you the excitement about it. Over here, we have 40 each of bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. We have 3 heads of garlic. We have a small red onion, 2 stalks of scallion, a small carrot, 2 small Irish potato, and here we have some fresh thyme, a chili pepper which you have to be very careful about, ginger, bay leaf, and some lovely pimento seed. The aroma in this pimento seed from Jamaica. Anybody who is a Jamaican know what's about pimento seed when you're cooking with it. So guys, we're gonna burn the curry now and we're gonna start the ball rolling. Thank you.
Alright, guys, wanna hear that? So come on over here, guys. Auntie, tell them what you did with that chicken foot.
I have about 2 pounds of chicken foot here.
Yes.
With wash, lime, vinegar, and everything like that. I season this chicken foot with a little curry just to get a bit of color. Chicken seasoning, black pepper. I don't use a lot of salt because the seasoning is very salt. So we put salt as we go along if it needed. Right? So guys, we just want to burn the curry now and start the ball rolling.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
So guys, I have the pot ready now. I'm just going to pour a little oil in it for it to get hot for me to burn the curry. It's about, we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of oil. We don't need more than that. Alright, so we're going to burn the curry and just wait a bit until the pot is a bit hot to put the curry in. Not too, because we don't want it to burn and get black.
Right.
We just want it to burn a little because you know curry have to burn and you have to cook your curry with ginger, pimento seed, bay leaf so it don't run your belly.
So you know what, my aunt?
Run your belly, give your belly ache.
So guys, you hear that? Don't have your belly running leafy.
No.
Okay.
You don't want that because the ginger and the pimento seed and everything, you don't want to have stomach ache or anything like that. So we always use ginger in your curry.
Okay, hear that, guys? Take notes.
Okay.
Alright.
So I'm going to put a tablespoonful of curry, 11 tablespoons in the pot, and the reason for this is to the amount of chicken foot. Okay. Right? So this is going to start it to burn now, and I'm going to use about a half a spoon of
the
turmeric.
Yeah.
Right, to brighten up the color.
Wow. Hear that,
Right?
guys? Yes.
So that is all because I already have a little curry and the chicken foot.
Yeah.
Okay. So take time now to just get it to burn. I'm going to use a board spoon to get it to stir it.
Yeah.
I'm just washing my spoon. Right, to get it because we don't want it to black.
Right.
We need a nice color.
Yeah.
In the pot.
Thumbs up the video, guys, and if it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Share this out with your friends and family. Thank ya. So the curry is burning over here, guys. As you can see, it is beautiful.
Beautiful color.
Yeah.
Couldn't have anything better, you know, from Jamaican.
Yes.
You know? We know it.
We know it.
Yes, we know it.
Can't be a Jamaican and you don't know it.
No,
You gotta know it.
You gotta
must know it. You better know
You
it.
gotta know it. So guys, the curry is burned, so I'm gonna pour in my chicken foot.
Alright.
Hey, can you hear that?
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Now just give it a little stir.
Yeah. Stir it up.
Yeah, for
Stir
it to marinate, you know.
Yeah.
In the pot, take the color that I need it to be. Oh, this is looking lovely already. Really, really nice already.
Yeah.
Oh guys, I want to smell it and everything. Nothing, you know, all the seasoning is behind me there. Oh my God. Oh Jesus.
Wow, it smells really good.
Yeah, and look at the color. The color coming out.
And
Look
it's
at the
actually
color.
taking the color already.
Taking the color. Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Oh, some people say them don't eat chicken foot. Oh my Lord.
Chicken
And
foot
the
is
chicken foot
actually
is nice
We can have it with
white rice.
fried rice, boiled food,
Yeah.
like, you know, dumplings,
Because
banana, yams.
We are having this today with butter bean.
Yes.
Alright, so you just imagine we having it with butter bean.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh God, look at this. It's, you know, they always say the color turn up.
Yeah.
You hear my niece laughing.
Guys, the color turn up.
Yeah.
Alright, remember that. My aunt says the color turn up.
Yeah,
Those are
color turn
her
up.
words.
So we're gonna cover it now.
Okay, so she's gonna
Cover
cover
it
the
now.
pot.
Turn the cooker down a bit.
Turn the cooker down.
Yeah.
So about
Wait.
medium low.
Medium low.
Yeah.
Yeah. For it to take the color properly.
Yes.
And then we can finish adding what we want when it reaches to that stage.
Alright, perfect. So catch you soon.
Yeah. So guys, we're back again. We just don't have a little chicken. Alright. So guys, it's really pretty. It take the color and everything. So now I am gonna add the garlic, the 3 pegs of garlic in it, because you know garlic tenderized meat.
Yeah.
And I'm also going to add the ginger to it, because the ginger is very good when you're doing curry. And my niece is going to put some boiling water in.
Why are we using the hot
boiling
water?
The reason for the hot water is maybe you try and use cold water in meat that is very hard to cook. I generally use hot water because it tenderizes meat, you know, gradually. And
In other words,
it keep boiling.
and you know, it speed up
See that the
the cooking process.
yeah. And the garlic and the ginger. I'm just gonna cover it back now. Come and look at it.
Show them.
Yeah, look at it. The ginger in it and the garlic.
So just enough
Look at
water
it. Enough
added.
water
and
added.
Gradually, she will add
The rest of seasoning while it's cooking.
while it's cooking, and you know, more hot water.
Yeah.
Alright, so now she's covering the pot and allowing it to do its thing. Okay?
Right, guys. About your hand, putting the hand is set now in the pot. I'm gonna add my potato now to it, to my chicken foot, and my carrots in it, my onion, and my spring onion here. Also, I'm going to use my fresh thyme, my bay leaf, and my lovely pimento seed with the pepper. I'm not going to cut the pepper because it's very hot, so I'm just going to put it in whole.
So when she put the pepper whole like that, guys, she gets to control the heat
Heat.
of the pepper.
Right. Also, I have some coconut milk which I'm going to add to cook, because you know the coconut milk have to cook properly. So I'm going to add the coconut milk now for it to cook down into the chicken foot. Okay.
And she's using 1 pack
One pack of coconut
out.
out.
Okay.
So there we go. Oh God, look at this. Wow. Look at that.
Wow. Auntie the kitchen smell good.
Turn up, man.
When you say auntie the kitchen what?
Turn up.
Guys, when you hear that, it's coming from old school, alright? The kitchen turn up.
Turn up. So guys,
Wow, look at it. Beautiful.
beautiful.
Come and look in the pot.
Come and have a look. Look at that. Look.
Wow.
Look, guys. Look.
Very nice.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let it cook down along with the carrots and the potato and everything, and then the next stage now I will put my bell peppers in it along with the butter bean, because those don't take long to cook, and you know, like the bell pepper to a bit crunchy.
Alright. Okay, top chef.
Okay, so I'm covering the pot now.
So what you will be serving, what we will be having with
Well,
this, chicken feet and
you can have bulgur,
Mhm.
you can have brown rice,
Wow.
you can have white rice, and you can also have food.
Okay, so
Like
today,
today now we're having food.
So guys, this is the flour.
So we're having
Already,
dumplings.
you need the flour.
Yeah.
So we will be having dumplings, boiled sweet plantains, and green bananas, boiled green bananas, and maybe we are going to be having some sweet potato as well.
Yeah.
Alright, so you'll see as we go along.
Yeah.
So this is the pot here, and this is the pot we will be cooking the food in, the boiled food. Alright? Okay guys, so I am over here making these dumplings for my pot because the pot is ready. My aunt is checking her chicken feet, as you can see.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add the bell peppers now to my chicken feet, and also the butter beans. So there it is, guys, all in. Gonna give it a stir. I'm just gonna give it a little taste to see if it needs any more salt. Wow.
Looks good.
Oh
With all
God.
those colorful assorted peppers,
Yep.
it's really looking nice. You see green in the pot, you see red.
Red, it's really
I
nice.
mean, the carrots are orange. It's very beautiful. Come and take a look in this chicken.
Oh my
pot.
God.
Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Smells delicious.
It needs a little more salt.
Okay, so
So I'll add a little more salt to it, because curry is not supposed to be fresh.
okay. Because if it is fresh, indeed your belly will,
Will
run. Like my aunt said.
Yeah.
Your belly will run from you guys. Don't let your belly run from you.
Don't want
Make
it to
sure
run.
your curry has
That's
enough
salt.
salt in it and pepper.
Yeah.
Alright? Warm? Yes.
Them say turn up here, man.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Turn up.
Yeah, and then you see, because we're using food with it,
Yeah,
we have to leave that gravy
Right.
to eat with the food.
that's right.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, it smells good. We can't wait for the pot done.
Oh my Lord.
Mm.
Oh gosh. It is nice, guys.
Wow.
Really, really nice. Not because I am cooking it. It is nice.
Yeah, you have to be honest. If it is nice, it is not.
It is nice. So I'm gonna try and cook it down, because I don't want it to dry right out. We have to have gravy for the food. Look, come on, Brenda. Look at the texture of the gravy. Look. Look.
Beautiful.
Wow. Look at it.
Beautiful. So guys, I will be adding green bananas as well, and ripe plantain in here, and sweet yam.
So I just turn it right down to just simmer, because it's already ready. Just simmer, you know, just the butter beans and like this, the peppers and everything in it to just simmer down.
Simmer down. You have to show them the simmer down dance.
You do it. You're younger than me.
I don't know how to do it.
You'll have to play the music, girl.
Guys, look here. Show her music.
Well, guys, I'll come back about another couple of minutes. And I will turn my cooker off. And I will show you the finishing touch. It's already done, but you know.
So what you tell him, and I tell him to remember to subscribe and all these things and all
Yeah, but they already know to subscribe.
Yeah, you have to tell them because you have new people who come on and watching and they're probably wondering what is going on here, and it's not everyone knows to subscribe.
Well,
so you have to constantly remind them.
Please subscribe to this channel, please.
Yeah.
Right, and tell a friend, touch the notification button.
Yeah.
And tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
You hear all the English them speak, guys? We will say friend. You hear friend. Tell a friend.
Tell a
okay?
friend.
Don't forget to tell your friend.
Okay. Guys, I love you.
Yes. Yeah, we love you.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for supporting Carla's Kitchen.
And it's Carla and Auntie's Kitchen today.
Yes. Auntie Ange. Yeah. Auntie Ange and Carla's Kitchen today. Alright.
Because guys, I'm back in the UK tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, you know, we just brushing up things together today.
Yeah.
Okay. I am now finished with my chicken feet. Come on, have a look, Raina.
Wow.
This is the finishing touch of this beautiful meal.
Look
at it. Look, guys.
And trust me, it tastes
oh my
so
Lord.
good.
Look at it. So I'm just going to turn.
Chicken foot is well cooked, as you can see, guys. The meat
falling off from the bone.
So this is my pot with my food, and it's boiling. Like I told you, I have green bananas, sweet plantain, sweet yam, and
dumplings.
Dumplings. So the dumpling them here. Come show them the dumpling them. See Carla dumpling.
Pretty
here.
and white and nice.
Alright, that's the dumpling.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to allow this to cook.
We also put the banana in the skin.
Yeah.
Because banana is a part of iron, and the iron is in the skin. So we put the banana. When in Jamaica, we get the you don't get banana that have any processing in it. You get it free and nice from the tree, very fresh.
Yeah.
So sometimes we peel it, sometimes we cook it like this. But when you get it bananas in other countries that it have to export, we need a little iron in the skin.
Yeah.
So we washed it properly and cook it in the skin to get a bit of iron in our body.
Alright. So guys, I have a small pot here with some plantain as well, because this pot cannot hold everything. So I put the few plantains over there. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to cook. And you all know when dumpling is cooking, it floats
at the top.
Yeah. Alright, you see guys, you see some new thing. Alright. Anyway, catch you when my pot is finished and it's time to display this delicious
meal. Okay guys. So guys, this is the finishing touch of the curry chicken foot, dumplings, rice plantain, bananas, sweet potato, as they call it, sweet yam, and avocado.
Look at this. Look at this. So yummy.
Clean and nice.
Delicious, mouth-watering dish. The meat is coming off the bone, guys. Alright. And with this meat, you can have it with any juice of your choice.
Yeah.
Even some lemonade. Ginger lemonade will do well with this.
Yeah.
Alright. So remember to do what?
Subscribe. Touch the notification bell. Tell a friend so a friend can tell another friend.
Yeah.
So you know we can continue with new videos, because and you guys will get very interested to want to see another one coming up. We have quite a few to show you, know.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
This is just the first one, but we have quite a few to show.
This is the first full video.
Yeah. Right. So just touch that notification bell, please, and subscribe to the channel Carla's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Today is Carla's and Auntie's Kitchen.
Yeah.
And then now just tell a friend, come and see, look at this.
Yes. Yes, guys. I don't think I need to do anything more because she already did it all. Okay? You got all the information you needed. So just do what is right. Do the do for Carla and Auntie Angie's Kitchen. Auntie Angie. That's her name. Alright guys, thank you so much again for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And to all my supporters, thank you guys so much for supporting. You know me talk for some time. I saw it go. Anyway, take care of yourselves. Be good. Be kind to yourself.
Try this food for yourself.
Yes.
Try to do it for yourself. It's very nice.
Yes.
You know?
Very simple and easy to put together.
Yeah.
Alright?
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah. What was that? And go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.